Did you know that some doctors don't consider gardening as a form of exercise? I had a doctor tell me that once. A few years ago, I was at my annual checkup and they asked me if I exercised, and I was like, yeah, of course, I garden. And can you believe he said that's not exercise? Like, what? He's never drug a water hose 100 feet across the yard. I'm pretty sure he wasn't talking about this part. Probably never shoveled soil into a wheelbarrow, pushed it across the yard, and then filled up a raised garden bed or nursery pot. Probably never lugged bags of Pittmoss or hemp mulch either. I need a little more stability here. I doubt he's ever pounded a T-post into the ground either. He couldn't possibly have picked up and moved big nursery pots for them to get more sun. Holy moly. And don't forget the morning, afternoon, and evening stroll through the garden to admire all of our work.
Now head to the comments and let me know what I missed.
Okay. Now head to the comments and let me know what I missed.